Hello. Hello.
Push me button in corner. Hidden button trick.
That far corner, somebody get the button.
Trying to put, take a gazebo down.
Hidden button. If only we knew there was. Can't find them. In the middle of the flat.
There you go. Once you found the button, it collapses dead easy. Comes together.
Let the water run out.
A bit wet.
Yeah, we're hiding in the rain.
This has been
Whilst they
an
do.
experience.
It's what?
It's been an experience.
A very good experience.
I've been honoured to be with professional campers.
Not.
Who's under there?
Andy, get out, will you? Fold it up. Andy, stop mucking about now. Get on.
We found you! We found you! We found you!
Go in the field.
It's a bit loose.
Come on.
Them plants are a bit saggy. Fucking great, you get a free mug with every gazebo. Are you the instruction man?
Definitely a YouTuber. How to take a gazebo down.
Yeah.
Hang on a minute, let's get it. It's back yet. Oh yeah.
Wrapping. Look how they've wrapped it.
I'm not buying one of them now.
Team M.
No, yeah. See, it went down easy when you know how. It's like my tent, isn't it?